Grounding is something that we took for granted, most of us, or most of our lives, including myself. And there is the point when that still moment when we melt into the grass or mud or any surface or rock on earth. We are one with it. We are one with everything, with all the insects, with all that it is. When we ground ourselves, we can feel that. Even if we don't understand and have no conscious awareness of anything, our heart slows down, our mind disappears. We embrace the moment even if we don't know how. It's innate, it's within us already. We just need to make the space for it. Get out of our daily way of repattering our thought process. Grounding gives us more than the food. Grounding gives us feeling of belonging, feeling of oneness. You can hear the birds, aren't you? It feels I could hear so many sounds and voices of nature. And even if that is in the park, you can disconnect. We can find that in a silence. And then everything else comes easier, goes into one united flow of all that it is. We navigate easier our creative energy flow. We navigate easier anything and everything that surrounds us. We are more aware. Our awareness is expanded. We can focus sharper and do the necessary daily tasks much easier and with the least effort. Grounding is really so underestimated, simplest tool, so to speak, that we should implement in our daily life to become mechanic as our breathing, as drinking water. Don't forget, please don't underestimate even more how important is to reconnect with Mother Earth and everything else, every being, everything that surrounds us.